Hi everyone, welcome to week 6 of our tips, tricks, and tools of helping you to start the year off strong. This week I was going to talk to you about calling your database, reaching out to everyone in the database. A good technique that you can use is called the Ford technique, and that's where you talk to people about their family, their occupation, recreation, and dreams. So that gives you kind of a reference point of what you can talk to them about. But I kind of changed my mind of what I wanted to focus on this week. I was at the dentist the other day, and while the hygienist was working on my teeth and having a conversation with me, a one-sided conversation, I might say, because she's working on my teeth, she was talking to me about when she purchased her house and how every time after they seen a property, they would go home and they would go on that website to look at what had the properties, how many times they had sold, and what were the updates in them. And she kept referring to that website. I honestly have no idea what website she's referring to, but what it did make me think about is when we do take people out, a good thing that we can do is send them the history of the property, send them what has sold, how many times it has sold in the past, and look at it and see what updates have been done that you can send that information to them. Hope that's helpful. Hope you guys have a great week. I look forward to bringing you week number 7 next week. Take care.